Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Saba banana, a versatile and delicious fruit. Saba bananas are a distinct variety, noticeably larger and firmer than the sweet yellow bananas you might be familiar with. They are a staple in many kitchens, particularly across the Philippines and other Southeast Asian countries. Unlike dessert bananas, Saba bananas are best enjoyed when cooked, transforming their starchy flesh into something truly delightful. We will explore a couple of popular and easy cooking methods today, so you can enjoy this unique fruit in your own home. Before we dive into cooking, proper preparation is key for your Saba bananas. Begin by selecting bananas that feel firm to the touch and have no major bruises. Their color can range from green to a light yellow. Give them a good rinse under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris from the skin. For certain cooking methods, like boiling, you can actually leave the skin on, which makes them easier to peel once cooked. However, if you plan to fry them, it is usually best to peel them first, as the skin can be quite tough. First, let us explore the classic method of boiling Saba bananas, which is wonderfully straightforward. Take your washed Saba bananas, you can leave the skin on for this, and place them into a pot. Pour enough water over them to ensure they are fully submerged, then bring the water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer and let them cook for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. You will know they are ready when their skins begin to burst open, and the banana flesh inside feels soft and tender when gently pierced with a fork. Next, let us try frying Saba bananas, a method that yields a deliciously crispy and caramelized result. For this technique, peel your Saba bananas completely, then slice each one lengthwise into 2 or 3 thinner pieces. In a skillet or frying pan, heat about 2 inches of your preferred cooking oil over medium heat. Carefully place the sliced bananas into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they turn a beautiful golden brown color and are tender throughout. They are wonderful served warm. Now that your Saba bananas are cooked, it is time to enjoy them. Boiled Saba is often eaten simply, perhaps with a light drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of brown sugar for added sweetness. Fried Saba, with its appealing golden crust, makes a fantastic snack on its own, or you could pair it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for a delightful dessert. Remember, Saba bananas are incredibly versatile. They can also be incorporated into savory dishes like stews or used as a unique side. Feel free to experiment with a dash of cinnamon or even a touch of salt to discover your favorite way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.